Let's explore two of the most towering structures in the world. Starting with our number one pick, we have the immense Baldpate offshore compliant tower oil platform located near the shores of Louisiana. Soaring to a staggering height of 1902 feet, this colossal structure is owned and operated by the Hess Corporation. Notably, the Baldpate holds a significant historical significance as the first freestanding compliant tower to be constructed in the Lena platform. While it stands as the second tallest structure in the water, after the Petronius platform, its unique design sets it apart from traditional fixed-thrust towers. Engineered by J Ray McDermott in Texas, the Baldpate was purposely built to be more flexible, allowing it to sway up to 10 feet laterally during swell storms. Acker Gulf Marine contributed to the construction of the compliant tower section jacket, which weighs a remarkable 28,900 tons, considerably less than the initiate estimate of 50,000 tons. Due to its colossal size, the Baldpate had to be constructed in multiple sections which were later assembled. The lower 350 feet of the structure, comprising about a third of its weight, features a wider base of 140 square feet, gradually reducing to about 90 square feet as it ascends. The legs themselves have a diameter of 12 feet at their widest point and a steel thickness of 3.5 inches. When combined, the jacket and truss tower section measures an impressive 1671 feet, most of which is submerged underwater. Moving on to our number 2 selection, we have Malaysia's Merdeka PNB 118, a skyscraper that is currently under construction but poised to become one of the most remarkable and tallest buildings in human history. Once completed, it is expected to stand over 2,100 feet tall, securing its position as the second tallest building globally. The race for super tall skyscrapers has undeniably ushered in a new era, with each new structure striving to surpass its predecessors. The Merdeka PNB 118, whose name translates to independence, will grace the skyline of Kuala Lumpur, the capital city of Malaysia. Its completion will be a monotonous occasion, allowing the city and the nation to celebrate the new year with great pride. Additionally, it will set a new record as the tallest building in not only Malaysia but the entire Southeast Asia region. Narrowly surpassing the Shanghai Tower and the Petronius Twin Towers, the pinnacle of the Merdeka PNB 118 will reach a height of 522 feet, aiding in its claim to victory. Some may argue that the spire provides an unfair advantage, but the grandeur it adds to the building unquestionably makes it worthwhile.